on the home stretch to supersizing and growing your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom today is on the home stretch or home stretch. This idiom has been around since the 1840s. It actually appeared in the Daily Picayune newspaper in New Orleans in 1841. It's been used, of course, for a long time prior to that, but since then, and it refers to a couple of things and could have come from a couple of things. Usually comes from racing. Could be horse racing, could be human racing. And when it's a circular track, that last stretch right before the finish line is called the home stretch. Same in baseball. Between home plate and third base and home plate is the home stretch, because when you pass home, you score, you win. If you score more points than the other team, that is. Same is true in business and growing and supersizing our businesses. The more times we get up to bat, the more times we do things, the more we put out into the world, the faster and easier it is to grow and build and supersize our business. Now, I'm hoping I'm on the home stretch of making this video today, because this is actually my third attempt. And third time you're out, probably if it doesn't work, I'm going to not do it. Really frustrated with technology lately, but that's part of the challenge of the different things that we choose to do. I choose to show up and do videos, and so I choose to deal with the technical challenges as they pop up. Hopefully, I'm in the home stretch and this video will actually work. But I'd like to know, how do you know if you are in the home stretch? Like, it means to be close to finishing up a project or achieving something. I think of it with respect to achieving goals, and since we're doing an annual goal challenge this year, I get to think about it often. And how do we know when we're almost to the goalpost, when we're almost to the end, when we almost achieve our goal? And then what do? I have a little secret. I start before I get to the end, creating my next goal, my next challenge for myself, because I thrive on challenges and always moving forward. And so if I don't move my own goalpost, then I get a little frustrated and disappointed, because I get that letdown that happens after we achieve a big goal. You know, if you sell your company and you make a ton of money, or if you get a new partner or whatever, there's all kinds of things we can celebrate. But sometimes there's a letdown after achieving that thing that we've been going after, especially if we've been going after and working on it for a long time. The truth is, if we're building our businesses right, unless we choose to have an end point or a stop, like selling a business or moving into a different direction, we're never done supersizing and growing our business. It's just like ourselves. We're never done becoming a better version of ourselves, becoming a better human being, growing a better business. We can make that a lifelong endeavor. So, and if we can actually create it so that it goes on beyond our life. That's my idea. Is we have legacy, we leave legacy, and we leave something behind us that makes the world a better place. All right, share in the comments below your experience with home stretch. I hope you're having an awesome day, stretching as necessary. And I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow with another interesting idiom. What does it mean? Where does it come from? And how might you use it to supersize and grow your business? Have a great day.